The equilibrium constant expression is written as K equals the concentration of products raised to their coefficients divided by the concentration of reactants raised to their coefficients. Here, the numerator has the concentration of oxygen to the fifth power and the concentration of ammonia to the fourth power, and the denominator has the concentration of nitrogen monoxide to the fourth power and the concentration of water to the sixth power. Species in the numerator are products, oxygen and ammonia. Species in the denominator are reactants, nitrogen monoxide and water. Their exponents give the stoichiometric coefficients, 5 oxygen and 4 ammonia on the product side and 4 nitrogen monoxide and 6 water on the reactant side. Thus, the balanced reaction is 4 nitrogen monoxide plus 6 water goes to 4 ammonia plus 5 oxygen. Check the options, this corresponds to option B.